Hi, it's Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally, and I loved going to Brimfield this year. But you know, this vintage bazaar here in New England is also a lot of fun. It happens several times in several different places, and this time it was in Topsfield, Mass. They had beautiful vintage vehicles all over the place and so many beautiful displays. I had such fun just walking around. The weather was perfect, 70s, breezy, a little cloudy, food trucks to die for. I did not film those, but area for live music and the kids playing and just so much fun. Look at this gorgeous antique vehicle filled with textiles and pillows. Just such creative design ideas and display ideas. I think you will really enjoy. So I will just play some music while you enjoy some of the wares that we saw while we were there. And if you want to check them out on Facebook, you will see that they have many locations for you to visit. So enjoy, and don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, all the things, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for visiting with me. I will see you soon in another one. Take care.